Alright YouTube, JBL Pyro back here again. This is going to be my last stash update plus a little firework prepping update on how I'm doing with my boards. Right now I'm just going to show you a couple of fireworks I just picked up. It wasn't much, but I got a few more right down there. Let me turn this fucking light. So right down there I got a gold volcano. That cake looks really fucking cool. And that's just one of the ones I picked up that is recent. I think the other two are over here. And then I picked up Smoking Aces and Hazardous Cargo, along with a few 200 grams. So I'm just going to show you what my board cakes look like right now, and tell you how I've been going around with it. Alright, so that one right there, oh, the real UFO, I got two of those. That's one of the new ones. That's a nice little girandola in there. There's one over there as well. Alright, that's a new pickup. I got red, white, blue, and salute. That's a new pickup. I got AI. It's another new pickup, and I got Crazy Exciting. That's another new pickup. So all these four cakes right here are part of the new stash that I just recently got. On the same cake, these are all separate queues. So these four are a separate queue, and then those four are a separate queue. So then I got Team 6 as a queue, Killer Cake as a queue, Great Naval Battle, and Gator. That's all one queue as well. I'm going to probably perfect fuse a couple, and then fast fuse the last two on both these queues. So you'll get one cake shooting off, hopefully by itself, and then the last two will be going off together. I just don't want sky puke the whole time. That's boring. Alright, my next queue over here, I got basically a highfalutin rewrap that's not just a little brother. Like I said, another Oh the Real UFO. It's fucking dark as hell down here. Let me put on the light. There we go, it's a little bit better. And then I got Gunslinger. Then I got Honey Badger, Don't Care. Those are my town igniters. So all these are on the same board. This is going to be its own little queue right here. Alright. Then another board, I got Zero Dark 30, Pyro Dynasty. This is by Atlas. I haven't found a video on that one. I don't know what it's going to do. I have two, It's a Boy. This is by Atlas again. I haven't found a video on that, but I shot one off. It's actually pretty loud. It's pretty hard. I got 2-point brakes, and I have a breaker right there, along with a 300 shot side missile and a 100 shot side missile. So this cake's gonna be pretty cool. That'll be, I think, Q3 of the show. That's Q3. This is Q1, and then Q2. That is over there. That's 3 and 4. This is Q5. All right, and then we're gonna go into my my 200 gram boards. So they're all over the place in the house. I'm gonna go in here first. So I got this one all by its lone self. Well Done, Scuba Diver, and Blonde Joke. Now what I'm doing this year, which is gonna be a whole lot different from last year, is I'm gonna get two boards like this. I'm gonna put one board like this on the other side of the yard, and then maybe 150 feet over on the other side, I'm gonna have another board with 3 cakes. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light a slow fuse on both of these, so that hopefully Blonde Joke and then the other cake that's gonna be on the board over here will both shoot off together, and it's gonna look pretty cool in the sky. It's gonna fill up more space, and you can see the effects way more. And then the same thing goes to Scuba Diver. I'll have Scuba Diver and then another cake over here on a separate board going off together, and then Well Done, and then another cake. So to give you a good example, it'd be that cake, that board right there by itself, and then maybe this one right here. So then Blonde Joke and say 18 car pilot will shoot off together, and then Scuba Diver, Just Crazy, and then Well Done and Fishtail. So 2 cakes would be going off together. Alright, and then I got these 3 cakes over here. I'm gonna be shooting these off separately. That's lots of love underneath there, Pandemonium and Game On. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet. I think I'm just gonna shoot them off separately, but I don't know yet. Alright, and then I got 2 boards in here. So this is actually the board that's going to be being shot off with the Blonde Joke, the Scuba Diver, and the Well Done. So it's going to be Blonde Joke and Perfect Storm. It's going to be Scuba Diver and Super Stun because they're very similar. And Enduring Freedom and Well Done. Those are all going to go off together, 2 cakes at a time. And then this board right here, this is one big board, and these are going to be going off this row right here of 3. Those will all go off. I'm gonna slow fuse the first 2, and then the last rice will go off all by itself. I'm gonna fast fuse it to the end, and then same thing for there. I'm gonna slow fuse, and then the fast fuse one. For this one, Smoking Aces and Hazardous Cargo, kind of very similar. So I think I might slow fuse just True Legend, and then fast fuse Smoking Aces and Hazardous Cargo because they look very similar. A lot of crackles in those. All right. So that's that. Oh yeah, and alright, so this is my finale. It's already fused up and ready to go. 100 exactly. It's all fast fused. When I put them out in the field, I'm gonna obviously tie them all together, and they're all gonna go off at once for the finale. It's gonna be good. All right. Other than that, I still have all these cakes right here that I need to set up. All right, Mountain Mama, Slow Motion. That's a really good one. Orc Skull, that's another good one. Evil's Domain is awesome. Mega Banger Breathless, it's pretty lame, but at the very end it has nice 2-inch breaks. And then Massive American is going to be the fake finale number 1, and then 3 of the Atomic Fireball will be fake finale number 2. That's going to be 150 shots going off at once right there, 3 of those cakes. And they end in really big breaks as well, just like the Mega Banger. That's why I got them, so it's going to look really good. Alright, other than that, I think that is it. I got shells in that box over there, but there's like maybe 50 or 60 left. Other than that, these are all the boards I'm going to be doing. Alright, so a lot of little fireworks right there. And I'm going to be using this cue system right here to light everything off, plus another 6Q that I have. I bought this, and one of these doesn't work. A whole cue system like this does not work. So out of the 12 here, there's only 7 cues that work, and then one of the little cues on this one doesn't work. So only 3 work on this one, and all 4 work on that one. Hopefully no more break. Piece of shit, I have to send it back. Hopefully they're gonna send me a new one before the 4th, but I fucking doubt it. So I'm using that cue system, and then my other 6Q I used a while ago. Other than that, that is it. And yeah, it's gonna be a good 4th. The next video will be showing them outside in the yard, how they're all going to be set up, and it should be pretty good. Probably going to have to hand light a bunch of them, but we'll see how it happens. Alright? Alright, comment, like it, do whatever you do. I'm out.